Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by assembling the essentials and taking immediate action. Verify you have credentials and admin rights, then open a terminal or remote session. Run quick inventory commands, hostname, uname, ipeditor or ipconfig, and list hardware with DMA-decode or LSHW. Save outputs to a timestamped file so you can compare later. Once done, confirm network access and that remote agents are reachable. This step ensures you start with a verifiable baseline before deeper checks. You now dig into the system to map configuration. Examine active services using systemctl or service and list listening sockets with SS or netstat. Open and read crucial files in /etc or application config directories, and on Windows inspect the registry and services. Check kernel parameters, loaded modules, firewall rules, and scheduled jobs. Make targeted edits where necessary, but document changes. Once you have a coherent list of services and configs, cross-check them against your baseline. You wrap up by compiling a clear report. Include command outputs, diffs, and timestamps so anyone can reproduce the state. Test any fixes in a staging environment first, then apply changes incrementally in production while monitoring. If something breaks, immediately consult logs, syslog, journoctl, application logs, revert to the saved baseline, and verify network and DNS resolution. One key troubleshooting tip: recreate the issue with minimal changes and use binary search on config edits to isolate the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.